In this house we often cook in a fairly improvised kind of way, and tonight's going to be no different because we're making a chicken and apricot casserole. Now, I'm not saying we're going to make it up as we go along. We're going to be using pretty classic flavour combinations and spices, but it's not something we've cooked together, so if it goes wrong it'll be live on camera. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is, the first thing you're going to do is play with the flour, clearly. Oi, enough of that. Get your hand. Oh my goodness, it's gone everywhere. Okay, can you get me the onions that are there in that black bowl?
I want them.
Those, the apricots that have got flour on them now. Wipe your hands. Oh, look at you. Go on then. No, don't dip them in flour. That'll taste horrible. Oh, yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? Do you want a drink of water?
I'll throw that one in the sink.
Yeah, I would throw that one in the sink. Here you go, drink your water here.
I have this one.
And here's your water. And while you're drinking, thank you. Can you pass me up the onions and I'll put them in the pan so they don't splash. Now, I got a special job for you. What I need you to do, while we cook our onions nice and slowly, you see all our chicken here? I need you to roll it in the flour, so it's covered in flour, each bit. Just put them in the flour, just like that. That's right, roll them in it. You see, they're perfect, they're covered in flour. That's right. Is that a funny game? Don't tear it! Put it in the bowl, it's got lots of flour on it, in it goes. Well done. How many have you done so far?
I mean, all good.
Okay, put them all in. Have they all got lots of flour on them? And the last one? Oh, brilliant. So those onions have been sweating for about 4 or 5 minutes. They're now really soft, and we're just going to add in the turmeric, the cinnamon and the ground ginger.
I smell it.
Hold on, hold on.
I smell it.
Okay, I'll open it for you, look.
No, just do it.
Go on, but you've got really mucky hands.
No.
But we need to pour some into our pan. Okay, go on then. Now, we need about a teaspoon of that, which means a shake. So lift it up, do not touch the pan because it's very, very hot. Hold it with me, and in it shakes. Have we got enough in there? A bit more? Hold on, Daddy, do a bit more. Can you get me the next one that's called ginger? Can you smell that cinnamon? It smells lovely. What does that smell of? It's quite strong, isn't it? I wouldn't taste it yet though. Now, can we pour a big chunk of that into the pan? Ready, shaky, shaky, shaky. Bit more, bit more. Okay, and can you go and get me the yellow powder there? It's called turmeric. You got it? Oh, that smells really nice. Can you smell it? Okay, careful with that. Now we need to pour in, again, about another spoon of it. So shake it up with me, you ready? This is going to make our chicken go nice and yellow. Oh, quite a lot went in there. Okay, can you put those chicken bits in one by one? That is not going to go in the chicken because you've got to drink from it. In goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. I'm going to stir them all around. Thank you, little helper. We're just going to cook them a little bit. You did. Can you also get me the apricots, please? Okay. Now hold on, not ready yet, not ready yet. Wait over there. We just need our chicken to get a little bit cooked on the outside. Now, can you throw in my apricots? In they all go. Shall I do it with you? Is that our last one? Great, I'm going to stir those all in. And the last thing we're going to do is just pour our liquid in. It's cold, so you can help me if you want. And it all goes. I'm going to bring that to the boil and simmer it covered, probably for about 45 minutes. Well, it's been cooking for 45 minutes. The liquid has thickened nicely. It looks really tasty and it smells beautiful. And in many ways, this is the archetypal dish for this vlog because it was fun, quick and easy to prepare, and we're going to have a delicious supper with it. 5 minutes ago, I put some couscous on and that's now cooked. So all that remains for me to do is mix in some fresh coriander leaves. I'm going to serve the casserole on the couscous and sprinkle over some sliced almonds to finish.